Me sentí diciendo que soy mala, porque no me aguanto drama de nada. Si vienes a mi cama, a mi cama.
Messi, look! An airplane wreck! I can't believe it. This is unbelievable. Incredible. We have to check it out. This old wreck? Let's restore it. Restore it? That's crazy. I'm in. We'll need tools and parts. Let's do it. Whew, that's the last of it. Good work. Look at that space. Yeah, now we can get inside. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment below, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. I'll see you in the next one.
The cabin was completely abandoned. They cleared everything. Starting from zero. Turning metal into a home. Light finally returned inside. And the plane felt alive again. Comfort replaced ruin. From wreckage to a dream home in the wild. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more adventures.